Well, Zach, it looks like there's some new masked man working around here. Take a look.
What is this?
A police rendering of the man himself. What do you think?
He looks like an idiot.
Is that right? Because I think he looks like you, asshole. Is this what you've been doing with your nights?
No, I'm not seeing it. What am I supposed to have done, Agent Kelvin?
Apparently you were saving a woman from being raped.
Does that sound like me?
Not at all. But it gets better. Because this rapist wasn't a rapist.
No.
Nope. Just some costume sex play deal. Arranged anonymously on the internet.
Man, I really have to check this internet thing out.